let's go and see what I've bought now. Should be fun future project. Definitely worth saving in my opinion. Here she is. MK3 GSI. Hello Rod.
Alright.
You right here?
Yeah, I thought you wanted it back.
Yeah, that's right, we'll push it from here. Here we go, apparently she's got 160k on the clock. I'll just video her underneath while she's on the track. But should be alright. Tank looks pretty good. I think the sills are shot. So I've got new sills to go on her. Body kit all looks in good nick. It's got its badges. I've got the tow and eye cover. Yeah, needs work. So we'll get her off and we'll have some proper looks at her. Right then, here she is. I've got the tow and eye cover. That's not a problem. There's nothing missing in regards to body kit covers, but there is missing wing mirrors. But on first inspection, she seems pretty good. But she's not. Typically, this is all filler here. Whoever's done it, they haven't done a bad job. Saying that, is it filler? No, maybe not. No, they've actually just rolled it up. There's a little bit of filler there, but that is actually metal there still, believe it or not. That's not too bad. Obviously it's the gremlins that's going to be coming from behind those skirts. Obviously we've got rust in there. Rust under the backlight there. Dent in the boot. And then something I don't really want to show you, but I'm going to show you anyway. There. Obviously need to replace this panel here. 6x9 parcel shelf's going to get binned. But I did notice when it was raining when I went to look at it, it's all wet in here, so I'd say that's because of the seal. It's gone near, it's broke there as well. So it's pretty solid there. Yeah, so obviously we'll get all this interior out, strip it down to shell, see what's going on with it. So this bumper's hanging off here. Filler. Again, that is actually metal there, and it feels like it's been rolled again. It does feel like there's a bit of filler there, but not really too bad. The gap there puts me off. So whether this has been bodged or somehow repaired here and the skirt's too far back, I don't know. So, but generally, first inspection she's alright. Now apparently there's a hole down here, inside there. Well, you can see how bad the sills are straight away. See straight through. Under the bonnet, it's pretty solid. Put this up. See, there is some surface rust. Yeah, it's probably one of the plate in there, maybe. From the seam sealer. Typical Vauxhall seam sealer kills the metal. So that's pretty solid. Bulkhead, from what I felt yesterday, seems all solid as well, which I was mighty shocked at, as you can see. Yeah, she's good. She's good in the right places. Battery tray needs very little work. And again, around this turret, pretty good. Yeah, it's still got the headlight washer screen block behind the wing, which is good for the grills. Sunroof, obviously. Doesn't look like there's much pitting around the sunroof. Maybe, no, it's not all around the windscreen, which is good. So onto the interior, we have these silly things being stuck down to find a hole. Obviously they want taken out. The carpets are filthy. The dash, someone must have got hungry, being as McDonald's is shut down now. Glove box is broke, which I've got another one of those at home. Gear knob, that one's come back standard. Still got its MFD in it. These are covers. Passenger seat. Needs a valet, but generally the bolsters are pretty good. Obviously we've got another dash there to go in it, which it's only about an hour's worth of work anyway to change the dash in these. No biggie. See the back seats, all the cards are intact. There's no major sagging, which is good. Driver's seat, I've seen a lot worse. Obviously that needs repairing there. Roof lining sagging there. Sunroof handle broke off. Sun visor's missing. But she has got drilled and grooved disc brakes all round, whether they'll clean up. See, the tank's not too bad. General floor doesn't look too bad, but obviously we'll know more once these skirts come off. So, when I bought the car, I also bought complete full sills for both sides. Never miss a Saab engine bargain, 90 quid, so can't go wrong with that. But don't worry guys, no Saab engine will be touching that. It's going XE, originally XE, but as you can see we've got some new rear lower quarter panel there, some new arches, new filler neck repair panels, got some proper XE split shafts. So plan is to fully restore it back to its factory condition. So obviously it means wheels, engine box, mainly bodywork as well. What do you think though guys? Do you reckon it's going to make a good restoration project? Say the bonnet, it's got some surface rust, but for its age, she is in pretty right neck to be fair. What do you think? Stay tuned to see the progress now she comes on. Dare say next episode will be side skirts and all that coming off, just so we can see the depth to her rottenness. That's going to be fun. Anyway, please like and subscribe to follow the progress of this future classic, in my opinion. One of them. Cheers guys.